Today I shall prepare a dessert which has mixed flavors of strawberry milkshake, mava flavored vermicelli, mixed fruit flavors and ice cream. It is a Faluda with twist. Let's check the process. First, let's prepare Mava Semia Payasam. For that, we need condensed milk, sweetness according to your taste, Semia, vermicelli, roasted one I have taken. This is Mava or Khoya, unsweetened Khoya, milk. It's boiled milk, so we have to see the next process. First, we need to add water. I have taken 1 glass of water. Let's boil the water first. Now the water started to boil, so we'll add the semia into this. We'll allow this to cook and then see the next process. So this is boiled. Now we'll add milk. So the milk is already boiled, so we'll just wait for it to boil once, a little bit. So the milk has started to boil. We'll add mava into this, khova. Mix it properly. Allow this to mix properly in the payasam. Now we'll add condensed milk. Mix it well. This consistency is fine. This is done. So we'll turn the stove off and then allow it to cool completely. Generally, Faluda has rose milk in it. They add rose milk. But then I told you that it is a twist in Faluda. So I'm using strawberry milkshake. So for that, taken fresh strawberries, sugar according to your sweetness, little curd, milk, a small glass of milk. We will prepare milkshake now. We'll add strawberries to our mixing. Add little sugar according to your sweetness. First, let's grind this, make it a puree. To this, we'll add little curd, fresh curd. Don't add sour curd. And milk to this. We'll grind this again. This is done. We will transfer this into a bowl. So everything is ready. It's the time for us to arrange the glass. So for that, we require all these items to arrange them. First, we need fruits. I've taken blueberries, apples, banana, pineapple, strawberries. These are the fruits I have in my place, so that's why I have used these. You can use any of your choice. Ice cream of your choice. This is the strawberry milkshake that we prepared. For topping, we need few dry fruits. I have taken cashew and almonds. Basil seeds. I have soaked them for 1 hour in water and kept ready. This is the Mava Semia Kheer. So it gives that flavor of kulfi to the Faluda. This is a strawberry syrup. First, we shall decorate the glass with this strawberry syrup. First, we shall add basil seeds. We will add few fruits. add Mava Semia Payasam. Pour this strawberry syrup into this. Add few more fruits again. Top it with a scoop of ice cream. Add few nuts. Top it up with a little strawberry syrup. Here is our colorful and flavorful Faluda with a twist is ready to be served. It has the mixed flavors of strawberry milkshake, lingering with Mava flavored vermicelli, blast of fruit flavors, and topped with yumilicious ice cream. Little nuttiness in the bite just elevates your senses. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.